Hello everyone, welcome back to the TechLog YouTube channel. Today for this video of TechLog, I will be showing you how to remove member from Messenger group. Now to begin the process, open the Messenger application. Once you open the Messenger application, you open the group from which you want to remove the members. Tap upon that group. Once you're at this group, you need to tap on the eye icon on the top right corner. Tap that. Here, once you're at this page, you need to go and click on See Members inside Chat Info. Tap that. With this, you will be able to see all the members that are available or present in the chat group of yours. Now to remove a certain someone, you just tap on that profile name. It will give you this pop-out. Here, you will have the option of remove from group chat. You tap that. And just with that, that person will be removed from your group chat right away. The process of removing someone from group chat can only be done by the admin. If you are a member of the group but you are not an admin, you will not be able to remove anyone from the group. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the TechLog YouTube channel. Thank you.